The best thing about chutneys is they can make anything and everything a lot more tastier. Bringing you today tomato chutney in 3 ways: spicy tomato garlic chutney, sweet tomato chutney, and oil-free no-cook tomato chutney in my style. For the spicy garlic tomato chutney, in a pan I am heating up to 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, I am adding 6 to 7 garlic cloves, 3 dried red chillies, 1 green chilli that I broke into halves, and 1 inch of ginger roughly chopped. Saute for 30 seconds. Next goes in 6 tomatoes roughly chopped, 1 tablespoon of salt or as per taste. Mix in. Close the lid and we will let the tomatoes cook for 7 to 8 minutes. The tomatoes have softened. I am transferring to a plate to cool down. Once cooled, let's grind. The tomatoes are ground into a paste. Time to toss this in a nice garlicky tadka. In a pan, I am heating up 3 teaspoons of oil. Once done, I am adding half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the seeds crackle, add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 2 dried red chillies, 6 to 7 curry leaves, and 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder. Into this, I am pouring the ground tomato paste. The chutney is ready and tastes best with idli, dosas and parathas. For the sweet tomato chutney, in a pan I am heating 2 tablespoons of oil. Into this goes 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, 1/4 teaspoon sauf or fennel seeds, half a teaspoon kalonji or nigella seeds, and 2 dried red chillies. Let's saute for a minute. Next goes in 5 tomatoes roughly chopped and half a teaspoon of salt. Let's cook this with lid closed on medium flame for 5 to 7 minutes. The tomatoes have softened and turned mushy. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder and 6 tablespoons of jaggery. Mix in and we will let the chutney cook for another 3 minutes. This is ready. Tastes best with parathas, chilas and even sandwiches. For the oil-free, no-cook tomato chutney, I am taking half a cup of white vinegar. Into this goes 9 to 10 dried red chillies for soaking for 30 minutes. After soaking, I am adding 5 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 green chilli, half a teaspoon of sugar and 3 tomatoes roughly chopped. Let's grind. Oil-free tomato chutney is ready to be enjoyed with momos or pakodas. So when you are bored of regular food, pick some tomatoes and make these yummy chutneys to go along, making meals a lot more tastier. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.